Hello everyone. We haven't talked for a while, but it doesn't mean that we stopped upgrading our platform. You know us for a long time and you know that it is our core value. We're always upgrading. We were just really busy participating in the conferences like SMX, Brightness CO, PopCon, but today I'm really thrilled to introduce you another product update, and it is dedicated to the images. So let me show you what tools you are getting right now to work with your images. So, in our crawl section, there is a new section, Images, dedicated to working with your images. So, you know that all the websites right now have a lot of images. This is one of the very important element on any website right now, even if it is just a blog, and I don't even say if we're speaking about the e-commerce. So images are vital parts of our websites, and from the other hand, you all know that images can really overload your page, and the size of the image is really important, and it can look pretty okay, but the size can be really overwhelming and it can harm your loading time. And we all know that technical criteria like loading time is one of the first which is analyzed by the Google bot and which impacts your CTR, which impacts your rankings because of user experience, etc., etc. So this is the section. We see the total number of images on the website, the average image on the page. You see the size. This is a very important information here. How many broken images bigger than 3 megabytes images, how many of them. You can view these pages right away. Then we have problems with images, the list of it with the sorted list of URLs. You see images without alt text, images with widths more than 2000 pixels, external images, images with widths more than 5000 pixels, broken images, and here are the URLs sorted for you with this type of problem. You can just click on it and you will be transferred to the correlating list of URLs with this exact problem. You can view it like the usual way. And you can always view all the problems with the images, and that's really, really interesting here. So here it is. Okay, the very important remark is that this section with the analysis of your images will be available only when starting a new crawl. You should always, in advanced settings, you should always enable process images data, and then you will get the data dedicated to your images. This is important to understand. Let's proceed. Image formats. So this is the breakdown of all your images by types. It is an informative chart just for you to know what types of images are used at your website, and if you have some questions, you can check all these URLs by this type of images, etc. This chart is status codes. So if it is 200, this is okay. If it is not 200, so it is the broken image. This is definitely the issue to be fixed right away. Then we have the breakdown of all your images by widths. So we see that the majority of the images at our website has the widths like this, so like 1000 pixels, and we have a lot of pages more than 1000 pixels. The same for image file size. Again, breakdown of all your images by size, and here in our case it is a good situation that the majority of the images have size less than 50 kilobytes. It is important, all the columns are clickable, and again leads to the sorted list of URLs. Again, we are doing our best to make our platform easy to use, like to give you insights easy to digest, And here are, as always, there are presets, problems list. For example, even on our website, there are things to be optimized, like broken images, the list of URLs, then big images, again, some URLs with really big images, you see the size, then big images like dramatically, and there are again preset filters in data table dedicated in images, and this is really handy things. You see all the possible problems connected to your images, and there are the links to the correlating list of URLs. So you all know that working with images, optimizing the images is crucial, because again it impacts your loading time, it impacts your page size, etc. That's why we hope that you will find it helpful, and you will use these tools on a regular basis, optimizing your images. So thank you for attention and have a great day.